You mentioned it would be great if this could be taught in high schools and for people to learn about themselves, but also for educators to learn about their students. So, how would educators use attachment theory to understand student behaviour in the classroom?
My husband, Bob, who is an educator, he always says, "Oh my gosh, I wish I had understood this information right from university. Instead of managing behavior, I might have developed a greater degree of compassionate inquiry and curiosity into why my students show up the way they do." Attachment informed strategies help teachers create an environment in their classroom where students feel safe, connected, and ready to have the ability to learn. It's not an extra, it's a requirement. The same part of the brain that lights up under the conditions of secure, connected attachment is the same part of the brain responsible for executive functions. And this is mind-blowing to me, that cognition is separate from connection in our understanding of these concepts. But in reality, they feed back and forth into each other. So how teachers connect to their students prepares the brain for motivation, for engagement, for the ignition of the love of lifelong learning. So I think this information is critical for teachers.